In the ancient heart of Cambodia, nestled amidst towering trees and shimmering lakes, lay the majestic temple of Angkor Wat. Known for its grandeur, intricate carvings, and mystical aura, it was a place where history whispered through the winds and legends lived in the shadows. One bright morning, a curious young boy named Kosal visited Angkor Wat with his grandmother. Kosal had always been fascinated by stories of the temple, and his grandmother, an old storyteller, knew them all. As they walked through the temple, Kosal's eyes widened at the sight of the towering spires and the detailed carvings of gods, warriors, and celestial dancers on the walls. "Grandma, why does Angkor Wat feel so alive?" he asked. His grandmother chuckled. "Because it is Kosal. This temple holds a secret, one that has been passed down through generations." Intrigued, Kosal pressed further. "What secret, Grandma?" She pointed to a carving of the churning of the ocean of milk, a famous depiction on the temple's wall. "Do you see this carving? It tells the story of how the gods and demons worked together to create something extraordinary, Amrita, the nectar of immortality. But hidden within this story is a lesson for us all." Kosal tilted his head. "What lesson?" "Patience, teamwork, and perseverance can achieve even the impossible," she replied. As they walked deeper into the temple, Kosal noticed a faint glow emanating from one of the hallways. "Grandma, look. What's that light?" Curiosity led Kosal to a small, hidden chamber. In the center of the chamber was a stone tablet glowing softly, inscribed with ancient Khmer text. Kosal ran his fingers gently over the carvings. Suddenly, the tablet shimmered, and the room filled with a golden light. A deep, resonant voice echoed. "Who dares awaken the guardians of Angkors?" Kosal stepped back in awe, but his grandmother calmly said, "We come with pure hearts to learn the wisdom of the ancients." The voice softened. "Very well. To unlock the true power of Angkor Wat, you must solve this riddle. What grows larger the more you share it?" Kosal thought hard. "A treasure? No, that doesn't make sense." "Oh, I know. Knowledge." The voice boomed in approval. "You are wise, young one. Knowledge grows the more it is shared. You have proven yourself worthy." The glowing stone tablet transformed into a golden scroll. On it were instructions on how to learn from the past to build a better future. It described sustainable farming practices, ways to preserve cultural heritage, and the importance of kindness and unity. As Kosal and his grandmother left the chamber, the scroll vanished, leaving only its lessons etched in their hearts. Back in their village, Kosal began sharing the lessons he learned. He taught the other children about the importance of preserving their history and working together for the future. Inspired by his words, the villagers came together to rebuild the old school, plant more trees, and pass on the wisdom of Angkor Wat to future generations. And so, the temple's true magic, its ability to inspire and teach, lived on in the hearts of the people. Moral of the story: the greatest treasures are not gold or jewels but knowledge, unity, and the wisdom to use them for the good of all. If you find this content helpful, please like and share it with your friends who might benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.